Hey my beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a really interesting one. I did a video on full face of first impressions, a full face of makeup tutorial and the first impressions video on these 10 makeup brushes that I recently purchased from Amazon. The brand of these brushes is generic, and these are the 10 brushes that I got. They have such a beautiful pastel pink color to them and they retail for 535 rupees only. All the 10 brushes have come in this price. Each one costed me like 50 rupees, and this is a must investment for all of those who are looking for some affordable brands of makeup brushes. Sigma, Morphe, Real Techniques are everything that you can invest them when you have a lot of money. Otherwise you can go on for these brushes and they are amazing. Each brush is really dense. Like, I have used this on my face. This is the look that I have just created using these brushes, and I'm going to show you the tutorial on how these brushes turned out to be. After I used them, I found them like a bomb.com. They have turned out that amazing to me, and I'm just loving them. The only problem with these brushes are that they don't come with a name, like what brush is used for what purpose. And for sorry and for the beginners it's gonna get a little tough, but once you know that what brush comes handy for what use, then you are gonna just excel in that. And this is the makeup look, and I'm just loving this makeup look, totally loving this. So if you want to see the review and how I created this look, then please keep on watching. As my primer, I'm gonna use Nivea face aftershave balm, and I'm gonna just apply all over my face. I'm not gonna use any kind of brush for this because I like to apply my primer with my hands. With the foundation, I'm going to use this stippling brush today, and let's see how it comes out to be. I'm going to take a little bit of my foundation and we'll just dot it all over my face. And once I've dotted, I'm just going to take this brush and start blending the product. This is really soft to use. It's not at all harsh like the bristles you find in cheap stuff. The bristles are not at all like that. It's so dense, so light. I have just put my foundation and I can really feel how nicely it has blended the foundation into my skin. Now moving on to concealer, I'm just going to apply my concealer. Applied my concealer. I'm gonna blend it with this brush. The only problem with these brushes are that they do not come with any kind of name. There's nothing written over here, so you have to use it according to yourself. And for the beginners, it's gonna be a little tough on this side because they need to know what brushes are for what use, and that's why you can just see them and use them according to yourself. So I'm just gonna blend my concealer from my under eyes. Blended everything seamlessly. You can't see any sort of harsh lines on my face, and this is something really amazing. Done with the concealing, I'm gonna use my powder to set my face, and for that I'm gonna use, like, I'm still left with 3 of the brushes. These 2 are the angled brushes, so I'm just gonna use this one. Again, a buffer brush and a sort of powder brush also. Just gonna take this powder, dipping my brush. Oh my god, this is the best brush out of all the 3. It is really soft, amazing to use. actually say that these brushes are a bomb.com. For that I'm going to do my eyes, and for that I'm going to take my eye brushes. I have set of 5 eye brushes, and one by one I'm going to show you how they turn out to be. These are the 5 brushes that I have. So starting with this one, done with the transition shade, and this turned out again amazing. Like, I'm just loving this transition. So for the further color, I'm gonna take this small tapper shadow brush. This is like a smudge brush. I'm just gonna place some color onto my lid. I'm just gonna go a little glittery today. And a blender brush, I'm just going to blend the colors together. And with that, I'm going to take a black shade and I'll just apply it with this brush. Soft blender brush, just blending them together. After with that, I'm just gonna darken this shade of blue. Till now, these brushes turned out to be exactly what I wanted them to be, and I'm just literally very happy with the shade and the intensity they have given to my eyes. Now I'm just gonna darken my outer lid a little bit with this same black color. First, define my brows and inner corner, inner lid. I'm gonna take a white shimmery shade. I'm just gonna go. So I'm just taking white shimmery shade. I'm just applying it to the inner corners of my eye. Just defining my brow bone a little bit. I'm gonna fill my eyebrows with the same black shade in this smudge brush. With that, I'm just going to bronze my face a little, and for that, I'm just gonna use this angle brush. You can see how nicely. Now you can see how nice angles it has. So taking my bronzer, the darker one, I'm gonna place it here. Powder brush I used before. I'm just gonna stipple it all. I'm done with my bronzing. You can see how nicely my face is bronzed now. I'm just gonna move on to my blush, and for that I'm just gonna take the last brush that I'm left with. I'm gonna take this brush. This is the last brush that I'm left with, and today I'm gonna use, out of these shades, I'm gonna use, I suppose, this shade here, this orange tangy, this shade here, this orange tangy kind of shade. Just gonna dip my brush into it. This is again an angled brush, and for cheeks you have to go like swipe it above, so it's perfect for your cheeks, for your blending. So I'm just gonna take this eye brush that I just used. This is a soft fluffy brush. I'm just gonna dip it into the shimmery white shade that I usually use for my brightening effect, and I'll just apply it to the areas where I generally highlight. Then, taking the same powder brush, I'll just blend everything. Next, I'm gonna use. I'm just gonna go with my Maybelline lipstick and will apply it. On to my eyeliner and my eyes. I'm just gonna put my liner on. I'm just gonna take this kajal and just apply it. How the final look turned out to be. You can see the whole face.